Lovable versus Claude Code. Which AI development tool is better? Choosing the right AI development tool can completely transform how fast you go from idea to working product. Lovable and Claude Code are two platforms helping developers and builders ship software faster with AI assistance, but they take very different approaches to the development process. Lovable is a no-code AI app builder focused on turning prompts into fully functional web applications, while Claude Code is a developer-focused AI assistant that works directly inside the coding environment to help write, edit, and improve real code bases. This comparison breaks down how each tool works so you can find the right fit for your workflow. Lovable is an AI-powered application builder designed to help users create fully functional web apps from natural language prompts without writing code manually. Its strength lies in speed, allowing non-technical founders, designers, and entrepreneurs to go from an idea to a working product in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional development. Lovable handles the front-end and back-end scaffolding automatically, integrates with tools like Supabase for database management, and produces deployable applications that users can iterate on quickly. While it is powerful for getting projects off the ground, experienced developers may find it limiting when projects require complex custom logic or deep technical customization. Lovable is best suited for non-technical founders, product designers, and entrepreneurs who want to build and launch functional web applications without writing code. Claude Code is a terminal-based AI coding assistant, built by Anthropic for developers who want intelligent, context-aware help throughout the software development process. Unlike app builders, Claude Code works directly inside a developer's existing environment, reading entire code bases and making changes that account for how different parts of a project interact. It can write new features, refactor existing code, debug errors, generate tests, and explain complex logic in plain language. Claude Code is built for real development work, meaning it excels when projects require precision, custom solutions, and a deep understanding of the codebase. Claude Code is best suited for software engineers, developers, and technical teams who want a powerful AI assistant embedded directly into their development workflow. Feature comparison: Lovable and Claude Code serve fundamentally different users and stages of the development process. Lovable is built for speed and accessibility, making it ideal for bringing ideas to life quickly without technical expertise. Claude Code is built for depth and precision, making it ideal for developers who need serious assistance at the code level across complex and evolving projects. The right choice depends on whether you need to build fast without code or develop deeply with code. Final thoughts. If you are a non-technical founder or designer who wants to turn ideas into working web applications quickly, Lovable offers an impressive and accessible way to build without coding. If you're a developer who needs an intelligent assistant to help you write, refactor, and manage real code bases, Claude Code delivers the technical depth and context awareness to genuinely accelerate your work. The best tool depends on whether you are building without code or engineering with it.